I'm going to show you how to draw a cat. So first, you want to start out with breaking the cat into the basic shapes. So I'm going to start with a circle for the head. And I'm going to use a pink marker today to show you all of the basic shapes. And then I'm going to use a black Sharpie to draw the contour of the cat at the end, so you can see what the final cartoon will look like. So next, I'm going to add the next basic shape, which would be the body. Now the body of a cat, depending on what way he or she is sitting, is going to be an oval. And it can slightly overlap the head or the circle. Next, what I'm going to do is add two curved shapes. And this is going to be the arms and paws of the cat coming out the front. Then I'm just going to draw a little curved shape and underneath, and then draw a line, another curved line, going back into the body like so. And that's actually going to be the back of the arms. Then I can add two little lines for the fingers or the paws. And then for the back leg, I'm going to add a curved shape and then another curved shape, which is going to be the cat's other paw and foot. After I've drawn the bottom foot, I need to add another foot kind of poking out from behind. So I'm just going to add another paw kind of behind the other arms, and then a nice long tail. And this is where you can kind of get a little bit fancy if you want. You can make it a bushy tail. I'm just going to have a smooth tail with a little tip at the bottom like this. And then I'm going to add the features on the face, which are very fun. So I'm going to start with the eyes. I'm going to add two big ovals, and again, you can decide how big or small you want the eyes to be. I like mine to be very cartoony. I'm going to add a little nose, a little triangle nose, and then two curved shapes, which are going to be the cheeks of the cat. And then you can add a little curved shape with a line in it to be the tongue of the cat. You can also add two ears poking out the top, which are triangles or two lines joined together, and then a few whiskers pointing out to the side. And of course, you can change the shape of your cat's face if you like. I might make mine come out a little bit, and then at the bottom as well. So now that I have all the basic shapes done, I'm going to switch over and use my black Sharpie to outline the final contour and to add a few extra details. So I'm going to start with the face, and I'm going to outline those eyes. And if you want them to look like they're sparkling a little bit, you can add a little circle inside the pupil. I'm going to add the triangle nose, outline the mouth, and then of course the ears. You can also add just another little curved line inside the ears to add that inside of their ears. And then I'm going to add just a little swiggles back and forth to add to the edges or the contour of the cat. I'm going to add some whiskers now, and they're a little bit long on the one side, but I'll just kind of balance them out the other way. Then I'm going to decide which lines I'm going to have showing and which lines are going to be kind of going in front or behind. And this is the time where you can really pick and choose which lines you want to keep. I usually use pencil to draw all my basic shapes before adding my contour line, and that way if I make any mistakes I can erase them, and it's oh so easy to do that when you're using a pencil. So last but not least, I'm gonna add the tail, and I might add just a little bit of a fluff at the end like so, and then a little line here for the cat's belly. and a little bit of texture, and I am done. So thank you, boys and girls, for joining me today to draw a cat. I hope your cat turned out exactly like mine. You know, feel free to add eyelids if you like to make your cat a little bit sleepy, or some eyebrows to add a little bit of personality. So thanks again for joining me, and remember to have fun and to draw. Bye-bye for now.